Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 14. Let's go to our quiz. The organ both the male and female have. Bladder. The correct sequence of human development. Zygote, embryo, and fetus. Not a main female hormone. Testosterone. What is the proper sequence of the female's menstrual cycle? Flow, follicular, ovulation, luteal. The placenta is attached to the uterus with this. Chorionic villi. A genetic test using high-frequency sound waves is called an ultrasound. The correct order of stages for the birth of the baby. Labor, dilation, expulsion, placental. Camouflage and mimicry are examples of adaptations. Natural selection acts only on inherited traits. The wing of a bird and the wing of a grasshopper have a similar function, but they have different structures. This is described as analogous structure. Lamarck proposed the species changed due to use or disuse of organs. The process of change over time is Evolution. 1. They help us understand how disease organisms change over time. 2. They give us clue to Earth's biological past. 3. They help us understand relationships between living things and the nature. Darwin's ideas. Hutton and Lyell's research suggested that Earth changes slowly over long periods of time. Selective breeding of domesticated organisms by humans to enhance useful traits is known as artificial selection. Individuals in a population may compete for food, living space, and water. Fertilizers provide plants with phosphorus and nitrogen. As energy flows through the ecosystem, energy at each trophic level decreases. How can decomposers be beneficial to the environment? Rid wastes and dead matter from an environment. Biosphere, biome, ecosystem, community, populations, organisms. Proper sequence from the largest to the smallest. Members of one species in an area. A population. When biologists refer to ecology on a global scale, they use the term biosphere. Dear friends, thank you very much for trying out Biology Master 14. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.